Registering for QNB mobile banking allows you to easily manage your bank accounts on the go. Follow these steps to register. Download the QNB mobile banking app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for QNB mobile banking and download the official app to your smartphone. Open the app. Launch the QNB mobile banking app after installation. Tap on Sign Up or New User Registration to begin the registration process. Enter your details. You will be prompted to enter your QNB account number and ATM or debit card details. Alternatively, if you're using the QNB internet banking credentials, you can opt to log in with those details. Set up a secure PIN. Create a 4-digit PIN for secure login access. You may be asked to set up security questions or two-factor authentication for added security. Confirm registration. Once your registration is complete, you will receive a confirmation via SMS or email. Login. After successful registration, use your PIN or biometric login to access your QNB mobile banking account.